Stocks are finishing lower for the first time in 7 trading sessions, led by declines in energy, financial, and some technology shares. For more on the details of today's trade, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and for most of the day, stocks fluctuating throughout the day, but by the closing bell, stocks falling. And once again, we saw declines in energy and technology leading the way lower. The dollar was moving higher. That had an inverse relationship with stocks, and some money managers say with the dollar where it is and with stocks near their highs of the year, particularly after yesterday's close, we could see the S&P trading flat for the rest of this week and, of course, for the rest of this year. Remember, with this being a holiday-shortened trading week, volume has been below normal, so not a lot of activity that we have been seeing. And that stronger dollar leaving crude oil lower after starting out the day higher, and what we have been seeing with crude oil, 4 days of gains, but kind of reversing that today. Energy stocks were the biggest drags in the S&P as the stronger dollar reducing the appeal of commodities as an alternative investment. Financials also under pressure. In fact, Bank of America was the biggest weight on the Dow Jones Industrial Average after Moody's saying that U.S. credit card charge-offs increased. Bank of America down more than 1%. And even with a lot of the red arrows there, we actually did have some good economic news, and also that news really kind of showing signs of a recovery. The S&P Case-Shiller Index of home prices in 20 major U.S. cities finding home values rising in October for the 5th straight month, although compared to a year ago, those home prices are still down more than 7%. Plus, we got a separate report that showed consumer confidence rising this month. That really didn't do much for the markets. And also some positive news from retailers. The International Council of Shopping Centers saying retail sales climbing over 2% during Christmas week. You saw many of the retailers actually performing well, and also some ICSC economists telling Bloomberg that retail sales may grow up to 3.5% next year. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.